Quitting smoking is especially hard for people with financial and social challenges. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine tested 2 quitting methods. Over 1,000 low-income adults in Australia took part. All of them smoked daily, wanted to quit, and were receiving government financial support. One group received 8 weeks of vaporized nicotine products, like electronic cigarettes. The other group received 8 weeks of nicotine replacement therapy, including patches and gum. Everyone also got supportive text messages. 7 months later, researchers tested if they had quit using a carbon monoxide breath test. Here's what happened. 28.4% of the electronic cigarette group had quit. Only 9.6% of the nicotine replacement therapy group quit. Electronic cigarettes were nearly 3 times more effective, and they caused about 25% fewer side effects. The bottom line, electronic cigarettes may help reduce health inequality by helping more people quit smoking for good.